Well, I'm going to do the Rubik's Cube. Well, I'm going to mix it up first, you know, but I'm going to do it after I mix it up. So, okay. I can mix it up completely because I'm cooler than you. See? Now it's mixed up entirely on all sides. Okay, well, I'm going to start on the green side because I'm beast. Itch. Right. Ah! All my clothes are done. Now they're all dry and I can go straighten my hair because I look like a doof. Because my hair is all gross today. Because I just took a shower and I need to straighten it. Voila! Hopefully that recorded.